I am going to tell you what I want you to do, and about 10 minutes in, I'm going to give you a bonus. Okay? All right. How many dollops did I just do? Good counting. Must be the same as me. All right. You're then going to yellow dollop between your green dollops. You're then going to take your red. Now my red is really not doing so well, so I have another red just in case. And you're going to do 3 roses. And then you're going to take your green and dollop around each. Okay? And yellow in the middle. Just like that. Okay? All right. So, I'm going to leave it right here. Okay? When you are done with your cake, you will bring it over and put it down. I will put a card with it. The judges will be coming in and judging. Okay? To see who nailed my competition.
My team, we will glad to give you a slice of cake.
Oh yeah.
I'm going to be an honest judge for all the cakes, buddy. That I can guarantee you.
All in the judge's eyes, did a fabulous job. All right? Give yourself a round of applause. Okay. So in third place was group 4. In second place was group 6. So, Super Trophy